Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will talk about why your Neptune Maytag dryer is not heating and how to fix it. Let's get started. Here are some of the reasons why your Neptune Maytag is not heating. Power problem. The dryer requires about 240 volts to operate efficiently. The dryer may fail to heat if the power supply provides less than 120 volts AC in either of its legs. Restricted exhaust vent. The exhaust should be free of restrictions because an obstructed exhaust vent reduces temperature and airflow, which may trip the high-limit thermostat. Defective thermal fuse. The dryer is designed with a thermal fuse to break the circuit at extremely high temperatures. However, when the fuse is faulty, the dryer won't heat. Defective heating element. When the heating element cannot allow the current to pass through, the dryer will fail to heat. A malfunctioning high-limit thermostat. The high-limit thermostat monitors the dryer's temperature and closes the burner when it senses abnormal heat or when the exhaust vent is blocked. Here's how to fix these issues. Check the power supply. Follow these steps. Refer to the manual to ascertain if the power supply was installed correctly. Inspect the circuit breaker to see if it is functional. A multimeter is used to measure the voltage at the outlet. Ensure the voltage passing through is 240 volts. If not, call a professional for repair. Inspect and eliminate restrictions in the exhaust vent. Follow these steps. Switch off the power supply. Disconnect the dryer. Remove the duct tape securing the vent to the dryer. Plug out the exhaust vent pipe. Use a shop vac to chuck out any obstruction in the vent. Further, unclog the exhaust vent by cleaning it with an extendable brush. Move the dryer in a back and forth direction for efficient cleaning. Attach the clean vent back and test your dryer. Assess and replace the thermal fuse. Follow these steps. Switch off the power supply. Disassemble the cover panel. Locate the thermal fuse on the blower housing. Using a multimeter, test the thermal fuse for continuity. If the fuse fails this test, remove the wires connected to it and discard it. Reattach the connecting cables to a new fuse. Reassemble the cover panel and switch your dryer on. Assess the heating element. Follow these steps. Switch off and unplug the dryer. Unthread the screws at the back of the dryer. Open your dryer cabinet. Locate the heating element on the side of the high-limit thermostat. Disconnect the heating element from the high-limit thermostat. Test the heating element for continuity. Remove the heating element from its assembly if it fails the continuity test. Slide a new heating element and connect the wires. Attach the high-limit thermostat. Plug in your dryer and test it. Assess the high-limit thermostat. Follow these steps. Switch off and unplug the dryer. Disassemble the lower access panel and disconnect it. Locate the high-limit thermostat in the blower housing. Test the high-limit thermostat for continuity. If it fails the test, replace the high-limit thermostat with a new one. Align the high-limit thermostat on the burner tube and secure it with screws. Reassemble the access panel and test the dryer. Thanks for watching.